The vehicle's front and rear bumpers not only serve a decorative purpose, but also absorb and cushion external impacts, providing added protection for the body and occupants. Creator's voice. Laser manufacturing for electric vehicles. Bumper integrated cutting and welding system. Car bumpers require precision machining for various radar, license plate, and camera holes, along with welding of multiple brackets on the back. Traditional methods, such as ultrasonic and mechanical punching, face challenges, high production and maintenance costs, limited flexibility, inconsistent punching quality. HGTECH Bumper Integrated Cutting and Welding System enables both laser cutting and ultrasonic welding on a single platform. Comprises 3 main modules. Widely used by leading automotive manufacturers. Equipped with a dual robot, dual cutting setup, enables synchronized cutting and welding for high-speed production. The proprietary micro-hole cutting function achieves 0.1 mm precision without requiring tools or punches, ensuring consumable-free operation. Process database can store hundreds of cutting patterns. Standard die change interface allows fully automated, rapid die changes. Supports mixed model production and single-pass cutting of holes in various shapes and sizes.